Hi, it's a short video for Rene. This is your instrument cluster. I just got it today. I just put your name in there so I don't share all the information. I'm going to connect it to the simulator and turn power on. I can see lights coming on, but nothing actually coming alive, and it's drawing a lot of amperage. This is not a normal amperage, so something is shorted inside the cluster. So I'm going to actually turn it off. I'm going to take it apart and then start doing some tests and or repairs. I will contact you shortly with news and see if it's repairable or not. I will be following up with a video of removing parts and then test after repairs again if possible. Hi Renee, good news. I have the cluster pretty much repaired. As you can see, I haven't completely put it together, but replace all the stepper motor, resolder all the components that are common failures on it, capacitor regulators and all the stuff. As you can see, I'm actually supplying our speed. So you can see now that it is changing very good. The only thing that I cannot check in here, but I can check it, with the simulator, is the RPM because this is a very different, it's a DGFan ignition system, so I cannot reproduce a signal here, but you can see everything is working good. Let me change the temperatures and the fuel level, and you're going to see the temperature warning come on very soon. You can see the gauges are now starting to come up. It's easier to see when I have everything plugged in. You can see now the temperature is overheating, and that is the normal procedure. I'm bringing it down. And now let me bring it completely down, which is this way. Temperature takes a little longer, but yeah, both are working good. I can take the speed away. That is the normal procedure. High beam and signals, everything is working good. Um, Lights are off. As you can see, everything is working 100%. All right, so I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to put everything back together, reassemble, clean the cluster, and then contact you shortly to collect payment and then send this tomorrow. I hope that you like the very express and super fast service that I'm providing for you this time. Thank you so much for your business. Again, let me just put it together. I want to record with everything together so you can see it working and all the gauges reset to the normal position. I'll be right back. All right, Renee, as you can see, I put everything back together, clean it really nice, no dust, it's looking like new. Everything is off. All right, so power is on in my simulator. Let me turn it on. Okay, so everything is good. Now we got the lights, print display, oil, everything is good. The rest of the lights are just going to turn it on right now. Well, actually, I can leave everything on. It's not a problem. Let me put the temperature and the fuel gauge into normal readings. Excellent. That's what we're looking for. They're both working good, and I can make it go down to 0 again. Perfect. Let's put some speed again, and we can see that it's moving nice and smooth and no problems at all. All right, so your instrument cluster, as I mentioned before, is 100% working and ready to go. All right, I'm going to upload this short video into my YouTube channel, send you a link, and then you can see it, and then I will call you to collect payment and then ship the cluster back as soon as possible to you as early as tomorrow. Talk to you later. Thank you for your business. See you next time. Bye-bye.